My name is Ayush. I'm from India, and we are 12 of us who have come from India to Gambia. We represent a drone company, a drone startup from India, which is BotlabDynamics. And we are here for hosting some drone shows and showing some drone miracles in the sky. We are called by Africell here, and they have been working with us in Angola as well, and they wanted us to host a drone show, the first ever in the Gambia. And since we have some experience in the Africa, we've been to Djibouti, to DRC, to Angola, and it's been a pleasure to come to the Gambia to show our technology and obviously to encourage the people over here. And it has been so amazing because when we put our drones in the sky and put out the formations, the reaction that we receive from the people here is just overwhelming. It's amazing. We have been to other nations in Africa. We have been to international events, but the Gambia is beyond the expectations. It's amazing. I think I know now the reason why it's called the smiling coast of Africa. Everybody is happy. Everybody's smiling. They're so welcoming. And from far off, they will call you and they say, welcome home, be comfortable. And if you need anything, you let us know. So nice people. It's been really amazing.
I am Riddhi and I'm from Botlab. We are a drone startup from India. We are here to do 3 drone shows for Africell, for Gambia, and highlighting the Gambian culture, its importance. So it's been a surreal experience coming here all the way from India to do the first ever drone show in Gambia. And it's been such an amazing experience looking at the people here. I mean, they are so kind, helpful, and them looking at this technology when the drones take off, they are in awe of it. And that is what makes us happy. We were in Brikama for our second drone show, and I saw the kids there. They were so eager to learn about this technology, and it'll make you do something about them. So you have a great feeling that you're making an impact on these young minds.
And the idea was to inspire the youth, because when they see so many drones flying together, I'm certain that some of them will be more excited to know why this happened, how this happened, and that will motivate them to explore more. And we wish to be there to handhold them and train them so that they can operate drones, eventually build their own drones, and then, yes, probably work together with us to reach the new skies. BotlabDynamics is the website is available, www.botlabdynamics.com. We have social media pages with BotlabDynamics handles. Also, for drone shows in Africa, we have launched a new page to build a community for Drone Shows Africa. And soon we'll be trying to build a community for drones in Africa as well. So Africa is very close to us because the way we see the fellow people over here, there's the passion here, the excitement, the resources here. And the idea is not to take away the resources, but to help those resources build within this nation, within this continent, within each nation. So that is our aim, and this is how we like to partner in future.